Hi guys, a warm welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers this year. So we start this video off this week, guys, by taking the old front bumper apart. As you can see, I'm undoing the badge. And on undoing the badge, the bolt that was old in the badge had completely snapped off, forcing the front of the badge to come off. As you can see, the Fiat badge is missing. So I'm just trying to prise it off now with a screwdriver, just so I can get it off. Luckily enough, I was able to glue it. And now I'm just undoing the chrome whiskers either side of the badge. It's just a little round clip that pushes on. Gently prise him away with a screwdriver and he'll come off. Now it's time to get the old DRL off the bumper. This is why it's so important that you keep the old parts, guys. Honestly, just coming up now, there's a little thing that I'm going to circle on the screen. These are little clips. My new bumper that I bought didn't have them. So it's a good job I didn't throw this bumper out because I needed them. But they're just a little, they clip on and they allow you to screw the new DRL into the new bumper. As you've seen many times before, guys, if you've been watching Fiat 500 rebuilds, just taking the front bumper off is 4 little screws up the top. There's nothing underneath because obviously when I put the bumper back on for the final time, I will do everything up the wheel, inside the wheel arches, underneath or across the top. So off comes the old water bottle. If you remember, the little clip on the pump snapped. So I decided to change the whole bottle. Needless to say that I didn't need to change the whole bottle. I could have just changed the pump. As you can see, the pump is missing on this bottle. I didn't realise that it was just a simple case of pulling the old one out, putting the new one in. But never mind, I changed the whole lot instead. There's no footage of me putting it back on, because for some reason my phone messed up and it's disappeared. For those of you that remember, back a few videos ago, before the car went to paint, I was meant to put this lower crash bar back on, but as you know, I had a phone call off my painter. He wanted the car straight away, so it's just showing you now, guys, that it has all been done. Also, while we're on the subject, the AC line that was broke, that's also been repaired, and yes, it was an absolute pig of a job. Unfortunately, I haven't got no footage of that, but rest assured, guys, it has been done. So as you can see now, I'm just placing the lower grille into the bumper. You really gotta force these in, guys. So just before I replace the DRLs and headlights in the car, I've changed all the bulbs. So this is a little tip that I picked up. It's a 14mm spanner, just to get that little one, because if you've got big fat fingers like myself, it's just easy, just clip him off and then clip him back in. job done nice and easy, guys. So remember the little clips that I'd taken off the old front bumper? So I'm just fitting them in. They slide in nice just to the new front bumper, so we can place the DRL on and screw them up and tighten them up. So we're just placing the DRL in position now. Then we're going to hold him in there with the 3 screws that we have. Just tightening him up for the last time, and obviously then, guys, you repeat for the other side. So as you can see, once I've screwed them all in, I'm just standing the bumper up just to make sure that they're all plush and they fit nice. Now we're doing the little corner bits on the bumper. This is just 2 little clips, one on each corner, and they just simply pop in. Don't be afraid to bang it, because they do need a little bit of force. As you can see, they clip in nice. So what am I doing here? Well, as you know, the bumper's been freshly painted and a little bit of spray has gone into the holes. So I'm just getting a little screwdriver, just not damaging the bumper, I'm just poking the screwdriver through just to make sure that when I put the chrome whiskers in, the fixing pins will go straight through the holes, no problem, and it can easily be fitted through the back. So I'm just removing some of the excess spray, that's all, guys. And as you can see from the video, perfect fit. This is the reason for the delay, guys. I've been waiting nearly 2 weeks for these. So as I've got the parts now, you've got a video. So thank you very much for sticking by. And here she is, guys. What do you think? I think it looks absolutely stunning. Everything fits well. You see the chrome really pops in this bumper with the fresh paint. I've managed to fix the badge. The DRLs are looking sweet. Everything lines up as it should. The gaps, the body lines, they are absolutely superb. I could not be happier with this car. Honestly, guys, there's no dents, there's no scratches. This car is immaculate. I'm so happy with this, and whoever buys this car is going to have a wonderful car. So there will be one more video on this car, guys. It will be the final freshen up exterior detail. And as I was trying to find some service history with this car, I did find a little bit, but the icing on the cake was that I found a garage that had recently fitted a brand new gearbox and a clutch in this car back in July of 2021 for the cost of £350. So I'm well happy with that, knowing I can pass that on to the new owner. So we are at the end of this week's video, guys. Big massive thank you for everyone that's watching and those who subscribe. Please like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.